What if there was a way to make all your clutter just disappear? Here are 5 tricks that can double the amount of room you have in your workspace. The first trick is ceiling storage. And thanks to Fluxy Mounts for sponsoring this video. So normally with ceiling storage, you would need some kind of ladder or something to get the stuff up and down from it. But this one is special because you don't need to do that. So let me show you how it works. You just twist this right here and then it will lower the shelf. This one is made by Flexi Mounts. You can use it for all kinds of stuff. You can put your wood scraps on it, you can put bins on it, or bikes, or even paint cans. Whatever you want to put on it, you can. If you have a power drill, you can hook it up to the end piece right here, and that will make it a lot faster when lowering the shelf. It saves a lot of time because you don't need to get out a ladder every time you want to put something up there. So I got about 200 pounds of stuff on here now, so let's test it out and see if it works. Now you can see all the clutter is gone right there and it's all up there. So you can see it's a great way to free up more room in your workshop. Right there's a safety latch and you can take the hook and switch it to here and then just pull it. Right here you can see it has a double rope design, which is nice because that makes it a lot stronger. So it can hold up to 300 pounds without any problems. I also want to mention that I had to modify mine because I don't have standard spacing between the studs and the ceiling. But as long as you have 12, 16, or 24 inch spacing between the studs, then you shouldn't have any problems installing it. So just check with a stud finder before you purchase it to make sure it will work right with your ceiling. Flexi Mounts has a bunch of different versions that you can check out on their website. They also have video instructions on their website, which makes it a lot faster and easier to install the product. You can see that's a great way to clear up some more space in your workshop and get the stuff that you don't use it much off the floor. Go check them out using my link below. The next tip I have for you is a folding table. You can build these yourself or you can buy them. The one behind me right here is a folding table. This one goes against the wall and folds. Since I have heavy stuff on it right now though, I can't do that, but I can show you how it works. Right here is a piece of wood that mounts into the studs on the wall, and then it hooks onto the bottom of the table right here. And then you just fold the whole thing back. And the legs also have hinges on them, so they fold up too. And that's all you need to do to have a folding table. So this is a great way to give yourself even more storage in your workshop. And if you're liking this video so far, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Another trick that you can do is build a multifunctional table like this one. You can see I have the saw right here, the table saw. And then right here there's places to hang your clamps. And there's also places down here to put more tools. You can see I hung some tools on the side of the table. And then up here is your main work area. Another trick is to put wheels on the bottom of the table like this. So that way you can push it in and out. So when you don't need it, you have more workspace. And then when you're using it, you can pull it back out. So this is another great multifunctional table that you can have in your workspace. Another thing that you can do for even more storage is get some wall organizers on Amazon or wherever and just hang your tools on the wall. So that way there's more storage on your table and other places, so you can free up even more room that way. So those are some ways that you can almost double the size of your workspace. And most of them are pretty easy to do. Go check out the Flexi Mounts with my link below and like and subscribe for more videos like this.